I'm Jane, this is Millie and Dee, and we did have Thea helping us, but she couldn't come today. We decided to make a Create Your Dream Solar System app that would help young people to learn about the solar system.
We are coding enthusiasts. We are nerds, but not Millie apparently. We are a bit crazy in a good way. We're intelligent. The list goes on. Together we are Space Potatoes!
We chose to do the Build a Planet workshop. We chose to do the Build a Planet workshop challenge from NASA. And we think it's a problem because young people especially, a lot of people still think things like the moon was made out of cheese. And apparently in 1988, which was a while ago, but obviously it's less now, but then 13% of Americans thought that the moon was made out of cheese, which is quite shocking given the number of people who live in America at the time.
How does it work? We made a project that lets you customize your own solar system. So first you choose a star that you want to have. So there's like red dwarf, long yellow star, and blue giant, and lots of other different types of stars. And then depending on what star you choose, you can choose planets. And for some stars you can only choose rocky planets or gas giants, and they each have a minimum, maximum amount of planets that you can have in your solar system. And when you click on the planets, then they tell you little facts about them and the stars as well.
And just in case you're wondering, I made all the music myself on GarageBand, so it's not just scratch record.
So we think that it would help teachers to teach students about space in a more fun and interactive way, and you get information about each star as well as you go along. So,
how does it work? Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay.
It's quite
there's a few little videos. But is the project first? So, oh yeah, there is sound. There's the one for music.
Not quite sure where the speaker is. There is some music that goes along with it that Millie custom made, but we'll just show you what Troy does.
Okay, so there's a little intro screen, and then there's a thingy that, and then you can type in a number. So
if we say we want a red giant,
and that'll give you a red giant, and then it tells you how many planets you can have. So for a red giant, you can have 1 to 12 planets.
That's the sort of average number of planets that they have. So if we say we want 12.
And you can choose if you have a rock planet or a gas giant, and it's why it's a bit custom, because you can choose what order you have them in, and it makes a ding sound when you click.
So we've got a few gas giants.
There's 2 different costumes. Well, it is random, but that's just kind of there's 2 different colours for the rocky ones and the gas giants, but the purple, that's just it is random though. And so if you click on one of the stars, then it gives you information. So for instance, and then it also happens with the planets, and the planets are on average the rocky planets are smaller than the gas giants, as you can see in the little in the graphic.
And then press A to play again, and then you can do it all over again.
And customize it.
And try out the
Yeah, do blue giant. So with a blue giant, you can only have 2 planets.
Because they're so sort of unstable.
Yeah.
Planets don't survive very long.
Get absorbed by the blue giant.
Yeah, when the blue giant gets bigger, then the planets get absorbed.
Something's obviously gone wrong.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. And then you can, obviously, you can still, look at the star files as well.
And the stuff still work the same, but
Just ignore the.
oh, I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah. Ooh. Yikes. Okay. So yeah, there's a.
This is okay.
Wait.
Oh,
Music's carry on. Yes. Yeah. So there's a.
this is a little video. Sorry, wrong video. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Then the speaker says, this is a little video about sort of what went into it.
Yeah.
This is like,
You're not supposed to say that.
Are there any questions?
Okay, well done. Firstly, Millie, very good job on the composing the music. It's very good. Tell me, what would you do next?
We want to make
Yeah,
it
what
so
would you
that
add in?
you can have things like asteroid belts and whether the planet would support life and some moons for the planets as well, but we didn't really have enough time and it
Yeah,
would be
sure.
quite complicated.
We would also like to add like temperatures for the planet, so it generates a random temperature depending on, and also it gives you like, it might be able to give you statistics like
Just more sort
size,
of general facts about it.
like you have on the top trumps card, like size and stuff like that.
And also, as we had more time, we sort of get more information to add to it because we didn't really have a lot and we kind of faced a lot of challenges, and that took some time to get over.
Well done. Thank you.
Presumably you could insert or build templates based on NASA data of actual solar system.
Yeah. And then that would sort of help to work out the more precise averages about how many planets, how likely it is to